Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to review the latest update of Voltage OS for Redmi Note 5 Plus aka Wins. I did a previous review on Voltage OS GSI. At that time, the ROM was on the in the development stage, so basically there wasn't much customization available. To talk about Voltage OS, it's a comparatively new ROM. It came out with the Android 12 and it's an amazing ROM. Let us start our review. First of all, the kick settings, it looks similar, or it has the stock user interface. There isn't much modification for the user interface of quick settings. Now if you observe the home screen, let us take a look at what launcher it has. So basically it has a modified quick step launcher. I guess that is a correct name to use, because I've seen a small kind of icon, house icon. So basically it is a modified version. You can actually customize the icons, home screen setup. You can enable and disable double tap to sleep. Then you get app drawer. So basically, yeah, if you want to have the themed icon inside in the drawer, definitely you can do that, but unfortunately it is not working. I don't know, I do not know why that is happening. Miscellaneous. So these all are the customization options that you will get with the launcher. Now if you observe, once you go to your app drawer, you can see that they have provided us with the custom icons rather than having the default icons. You can see a couple of apps like Moto Audio. I do not know how this is going to work. Okay, I do not know. Yeah, it says device is not supported. I have no idea how this is going to work. This ROM is vanilla version and I have not installed or flashed any GApps. So basically what you see inside in the app drawer are the normal AOSP apps, and you get a music player too. How cool is that? Yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, so let's go to the settings now. As you can see, the settings, there isn't much user interface change in the settings. Once you go to the security, you can see that face and fingerprint unlock is available, plus on top of that app lock is also available with the ROM. And once you go to the about phone section and select the Android version, you can see the Android version that the ROM is using is 12L. Voltage OS is 1.5 version, and it is unofficial, and it's our front maintainer Ritvik. The ROM is on latest security update, and the kernel that is being used in this ROM is 4.9.312 Unitrix. SE Linux is enforcing, and that is about the build information. Anyways, let us go to the Power Hub, which is the customization area for this particular ROM. The first option that you will have is status bar. As you can see, you can enable double tap to sleep. You can enable traffic indicator. You can adjust the clock style, clock and date, data disabled icon. You can even select a couple of custom wall light icons, and you can enable or disable the privacy indicators. Then you can customize the battery style. Not quite a lot of styles are available, but yeah, pretty much cool actually. And finally the status bar items, that is something that you get with the status bar. So these all are the options that are available with the status bar customization. The second one is quick settings, and first of all, brightness slider customization is there, and you can adjust the position of the quick settings brightness slider, then battery estimate. That's it. Only a couple of standard options are available. Then comes the theme pack. You can enable the dark theme from here. You will get a couple of choices of fonts. You can customize the icon pack. If you want to use the pure black theme, you can do that, or if you want to select the custom color for your monet, you can enable it and select the custom color too. Then comes the button. It is just the standard options that are available for the buttons, and lock screen. Yeah, again, all kind of standard customization options are available for the lock screen. You don't get actually an option to choose the lock screen clock. I'm not complaining, but yeah, if it was there, it would have been nice too. Then power menu options, pretty much standard. Notification, yeah, you have the reticker available, so that's great actually. Yeah, I do really love reticker. Let's enable it. Then finally the miscellaneous one, well, yeah, it is also the common customization options are available: unlimited photo storage, unlock higher FPS in game and stuff like that, and you even get a game space with the miscellaneous option too. Well, yeah, you don't get anything like you battery idle manager and stuff like that with the ROM. Well, I'm not complaining, just wanted to compare between the between ROMs. Then wallpaper and style, you can enable the themed icon. Let's see if it is going to apply. Yeah, okay, fine. So once you enable the themed icon from the wallpaper and style, it really applies to the app drawer also. So earlier it was not applying when we enabled it from the launcher, so maybe now it will work. That really looks cool. So overall, I do really love the ROM. As I've told you, I've tried the GSI of the ROM, and I was very happy to see this nice ROM. Once again, I would like to thank Mr. Ridvik for comparing the ROM for our beloved Wins. He did an amazing job. The ROM is really great. It's actually really smooth. Honestly speaking, it's really smooth. I'm not biased with one ROM or something like that, but all ROMs, all Android 12 ROMs for Wins actually are really great and it works smoothly. Well, what are my opinions about the ROM? I guess the ROM is really good. I have only used it for a couple of hours, so I do not know any if the ROM has any major bugs and stuff like that. I hope it doesn't have. It is actually giving you a smoother user experience. So I would say if you want to use it as a daily driver, definitely you can use it as a daily driver. If you want to install GApps, I believe I would recommend you to install Nick GApps or Flame GApps, or else you can check with the maintainer of the ROM which GApps he prefer to use it and stuff like that. Once again, I would like to thank you for watching my ROM review. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates in the future. Once again, thank you.